Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to find out how to get this a beautiful curly bob hair look from Luvme Hair, just keep on watching. Hi guys, so yeah, this is going to be like a series of different videos of me reviewing hair from Luvme Hair. I have a lot of hair to review from them, so yeah. Oh, and this hair, I know, it's beautiful. So basically this hair I had just reviewed. I'm not sure which video I'm going to upload first, but this is also from Luvme Hair. I'm gonna put down the description below of the link to review this video, so don't worry about it. All right, so I am unboxing this hair. So I'm seeing this hair for the first time, just like you guys. Alright, and it's from Luvme Hair. Has a cute, pretty bow on it. Okay. This is a wavy type of hair. So this is the wig right here. Okay, so now that I'm done reviewing this one, back to basics, back to my big forehead and stuff. This one has lace, and this is it right here. Inside it has the combs, so it's already pre-shaped into a side part, and it has the elastic band over here with the adjustments, the adjustable elastic band, which I love when they do that. And let me put on the wig so you can see. So it's a closure wig, which means that it's gonna be really easy to adjust on your head, and it's not just gonna slip off all the time. Okay, so this is it right here, right off the bat. I know it's looking a little bit crazy, but you already know we're gonna make it look like our own. It's basically, yeah, it's a bob. Yes, so what I'm going to do, I'm gonna wet the hair and I'm going to blend the lace. My goal today is to not use glue at all. So we're gonna make it glueless. It's summertime, we don't have time to glue everything. Okay, so I will be back. I'm gonna wet the hair and then we'll work with the lace. All right guys, so I wet it and already you see that it went from crazy to baddie. Does that rhyme? No. It's a super cute bob, but we're not done here. We're still gonna customize it. So I'm going to cut the lace. I'm not going to bleach the knots because I want this video to be as simple as possible. Not everyone knows how to bleach knots. Even if I try to, show you guys, not everyone has the patience to do it, but you can still make your wig look amazing without bleaching the knots, okay? What I'm going to do is cut the lace, like I said, and then I'm going to make sure that the lace blends in properly with my scalp, okay? So I'm just going to, well, I can cut it on my head or I can take it off, but for this I'm gonna take it off. If it was a frontal, I would probably just, leave it on. Okay, so I'm going to cut the lace. You guys have seen me cut lace before, so I'm probably just gonna speed through this part. But one thing, make sure you're not cutting in a straight line. Make sure it's like a jagged type of line, because if it's a straight line, it's really hard to blend it. It's really hard to make it look like it's from scalp. All right, so I cut it, and as you can see, it's like jagged. It's not a straight line, like there's like up and down. And then now I'm going to take my Fenty contour bronzer thing. What is this? The matchstick. Oh, the contour matchstick. And this is in the color Espresso. And this is not the color of my skin, it's the color of my forehead, okay? So my forehead is much darker than my face. So what I do is I take a darker shade. If your forehead is the same color as your face, then just use your foundation, but I can't do that. So I'm going to take a flat brush like this, and I'm just gonna pass it on there, like so. This part is really important, you guys, because this is what's gonna make or break it looking like just random lace like on your forehead, and oh, that looks like it's coming from her scalp. So I want to show you guys a comparison. Let me put it on without applying that. Okay, so I don't know if you, I hope you can see. I don't know if you can really see, but okay, so this is without me passing it, and it's still like, you know, it's still acceptable, but not to our standards, okay? I'm going to take it off and then pass this on it, and you're gonna see what I'm talking about. And make sure you apply it properly, especially on the line, that jagged line. That's what's really important. Okay, so let me put on the wig, and you guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so you see how it blends so much better with my skin now? And that's the thing, like I wanted to see if I could, you know, pluck it or whatever, but I don't think that's even really necessary because it's not like I'm going to do like a back type of bob with it. I'm just going to keep it like this, right? All right, so it's already looking so cute, you guys. But whenever I have bobs, I like to kind of put it behind my ear, and you just have to be careful not to put too much behind your ear, because when it's just when it's a frontal, it's easy, but when it's a closure like this, you don't have a lot of space, and then over here is basically the comb, so you want to make sure that it doesn't look like, oh yeah, there's a comb there. So you don't put too much hair behind your ears, you just kind of leave it like this. And you guys, this is a whole look. I love it. I honestly love it. What do you guys think about this? So as it's drying a bit, I see that it's like poofing up a bit over here. So there's a quick fix to that. So I'm just going to take my mousse. This is the Body Envy Luminizing Mousse by Herbal Essence. It smells really good. So I'm just going to shake it as usual. Do you guys shake your bottles? I don't know. I always do. I'm gonna put some in my hand, and then I'm gonna make sure to put some on top to make sure it stays nice and flat. If you want more of a volume type of look, then you can skip this part and just let the hair naturally dry into, you know, a nice big puff. But if you don't and you want it more tamed, like a curly tamed look, then you can do exactly what I'm doing. Oh, and as I'm doing this, let's do the shedding test. Oh, there's like 2-3 strands. That's about it. Which is amazing. I always tell you guys this, when it comes to curly hair, it is really hard to get curly hair that does not shed, if not impossible. So Luvme hair has really good non-shedding curly hair. And notice I'm not using a comb or anything or a brush to brush it out. Like I'm just using my fingers. I like the look that it gives much better when it's the fingers. Okay. Especially at the ends. Can't miss the back. Alright, you guys, it didn't take a lot, but this is the final look. That's it. Literally, that's it. Notice that I did not even, like, I can take it off whenever I want, but it stays nice and secured. And that's it, you guys. The asymmetrical, oh my gosh, the asymmetrical bob from Luvme Hair. Tell me what you guys think about it. Do you like this hairstyle on me? This, I love it. I need to get one for my mom because I know she loves this type of hair. This is a whole look. Once again, thank you so much to Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box. So the length and the link, everything you need to know about the wig and the website. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Before you leave, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye for now.